Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, update on Palantir, ticker PLTR. Yeah, we have here a very strong and nice uptrend, and Palantir is claiming here the several price levels which I already showed here in my previous videos. I will give you now an update here based on the chart, show you the next price levels to the upside, but also I want to share with you the possible bear scenarios, because you can see that we have a very strong and almost violent uptrend here. This is not healthy, guys. Every time when you have these kind of squeezes or algo pumps here, then usually a correction is necessary. For now, we know that Palantir is unstoppable here since January 2023. Everything what I say here, guys, is of course not financial advice. I just share here my opinion based on the chart, and the main purpose is to educate you in trading, guys. So then let's start with the chart here for Palantir. And this is it, guys. Nothing changed. As you know, I never adjust or change my charts as long as a company is not performing stock splits or reverse stock splits. We don't have that situation here for Palantir. And we know that our Fibonacci level, which was one of the first, let's call it trigger points or touch points, which we expected, was $35.64. And you can see that Palantir here is going unstoppable to the upside, and I have honestly no doubt that we also will reach the next Fibonacci level here at $41.04. Usually what happens here, if you're not familiar with Fibonacci, usually the next level here gets triggered. So we have the 1618 level and the 2618 level. So this is just something like in between, which I use for my own trades, but usually you get the next level step up here if you don't get rejected before at $44.92. And when we zoom out, I will show you that, guys. Yeah, it is almost in perfect alignment with the previous all-time high at $45. So let's say the chance that we touch this level here is, in my opinion, very high, as because also we have here a very strong uptrend for Palantir, guys. Yeah, usually what I do here on my channel is, as I said, to educate you in trading is my most important issue here. That's why I started this channel here. But usually I also show here short squeeze stocks, and I predicted already 2 short squeezes this week. I always release here on Sunday my so-called hot stock videos, and these videos here contain tickers with high squeeze potential, and 2 of these tickers here from just my last video squeezed already over 100% this week. So here was the day when I released my video here for members, guys, and you can see after a shakeout on Monday, which we already expected here, this price level, we had a 101% pump, and one stock is still squeezing, but squeezed 1 day later here, also Sunday, my video release, guys. We catched here perfectly the liquidity buy in zone. Everything is very predictable here when you know how to read chart techniques, and then we had a very nice rebound here from the trend channel bottom and had a 236% squeeze. So if you want to see those those short squeeze stocks, guys, you can of course join in here our trading community. We have the Elite Circle membership on YouTube, where you get access to my member videos and the so-called hot stock videos. The much more popular membership is the Patreon full package membership. Why is this more popular? Because we also have here, in addition to all the member and hot stock content, the so-called trading alerts, and trading alerts are screenshots here. I make this here in addition to my hot stocks, because some people have just not the time to watch all my videos and want to have very quick information. So I share here buying liquidity zones, exit price levels, stop loss price levels for tickers here in a simple screenshot. And here is also one example. After my release here on Patreon, we had here a 218% squeeze. Yeah, guys, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome to join in. We have more than 1,000 members here already. So if you want to become part of our community, guys, feel free, and the links to the memberships are here in the video description. Yeah, guys, so this is what I expect to the upside for Palantir. I think $41.04 and even $44.92 are the possible price targets, but we have to talk about let's call it not a bearish scenario, but we need to see also a correction, because as you can see here, we have a strong gap up. Then after this gap up here, we had a small consolidation here with a small correction here. In total, we had minus 25% before we accumulated here, and then Palantir went higher. So we know we have a very strong support here at $21. I would even say between $23 and 28 cents and $22 is a very strong support, but the make it or break it price level here in the chart is $27.51. Yeah, this is still active, guys, and I will not change that. Why is this active? Because that means when the price is going over this price level, usually the bears will step in. You can see the bears allowed here the squeeze, and then boom, dumped the price down massively here from this all-time high. We lost temporary minus 62%. So you can see how violent that could be. And you can see that we then retested here once, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 times we retested that level and got rejected. And now, as you can see, we had here one breakout attempt with a gap down overnight, and then we gapped up again here overnight. Here we have 2 gaps to the downside and to the upside, and then without any kind of retests we just start to squeeze higher. And this is the only thing, guys, what I don't like, because when I show you the indicators, that means we have a lot of open gaps to the downside. So all these orange fields which you see here are open gaps to the downside. The closest one here in the daily chart is waiting at $31, and even at $24 there is an open gap, even lower. But as I said, we have a very strong support. First, we have this trend channel pattern which is supporting the price. If you would see a straight line today, what is of course not possible, but if you would see that, then here in the $20 range, $21 range would be the support. But I stick to my strategy, guys. I think $23, $28 and $22.50 is the most strongest support for Palantir. What is a secret hidden hint, how to say that, signal or hint in the chart that the bears are already active, guys? Yeah, even the price is going up. Don't be too positive, too hyped up, because we have already here some signals. The market makers always show what they think and what they do. We had this massive green volume candle here. You can see in one day 450 million trading volume for Palantir. You can see this massive candle here, Friday 20th of September. So the bull stepped in, but as I said, guys, the market is moving in waves, and we need to see a small correction at least after this kind of massive breakout. So what I mean with hidden signals is this, guys. The price is now going up. You can see that here, very strong uptrend of the price. Yeah, we even start to gap up a little bit in the pre-market while I'm doing this video here. The price is going up, but what I don't like, guys, is the RSI. So we had already here some kind of bearish divergence. This bearish divergence got broken here. That's why we had this massive pump. But for now, you can see that the RSI is losing here a lot of power. So we have a clear downtrend here now, temporary on the RSI, but the price is going up, guys. So be very careful. This is a hidden bearish divergence in the RSI, and this is usually indicating here a downtrend. Of course, when we just continue to rip here with Palantir back to $44.92, guys, then I think this bearish divergence will break. But you can see that the RSI is very oversold. Yeah, we had the same situation here. You can see when I draw a line for you here in the RSI, then you can see more or less, guys, this is a very overbought area. So there must be a correction sooner or later. It was the same here. You can see the RSI went up, and then the RSI lost already strength here. You can see the price went up, the RSI went down. You can see here the bearish divergence already in the chart in the RSI. And that was the beginning of a small correction here for Palantir. And this, as I said, is not bearish. This is something what is necessary. You need to retest the EMA lines. You need to retest some open gaps, and you should confirm the price levels here. When we had this massive pump, when the bull stepped in here, I think something here in the $29 range is a temporary support also for Palantir. Yeah, guys, if you like this content here, if you don't want to miss any updates on Palantir or my other short squeeze plays, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. If you want, you can of course copy here my price levels from the chart. This is everything made here based on TradingView. If you don't have TradingView, guys, I can offer you a discount link. Everybody who wants to learn trading should get a good chart program, and I use TradingView since many years for all my videos and for all my own trades. So if you want to get TradingView, guys, I have a discount link here. You will save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Yeah, guys, very important information here if you want to join in our trading community. So we have just the last month before Patreon will increase the prices by 30%. So I am not increasing any prices here for my memberships, but Patreon will increase the prices by 30%. So if you join in before November 1st, you don't have to pay 30% in addition, even not in the next month. So everybody who joined in before November 1st will have the old price levels here and the old prices without any additional charges, guys. Yeah. So guys, that was my video here on Palantir. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.